Mobile Oil Credit Union is proud to announce our new financial health platform called Enrich. The financial health of our members is a top priority, and Enrich will provide the tools and support needed to build a strong foundation for a better financial future. To get started, go to mobileoilcu.enrich.org, and on the top right-hand corner of the page, you will click on Sign Up. You will then be automatically redirected to the sign up page where you will fill in the information needed on the sign up sheet. From the drop down box, please select your affiliation. You will also read the privacy policy and terms of service and follow the steps needed to verify you're not a robot. Once you've created an account, you will be redirected to the landing page to log in and access the Enrich platform. Here you will see your personalized dashboard. You will click on recommendations so you can complete your financial wellness checkup. The personalized assessment will help Enrich learn more about your finances to recommend the best content, courses, and tools to help you achieve your goals. The next assessment is your money personality. You will be asked to answer 5 sets of questions, which will be used to analyze your money personality type in 5 categories. The results for your assessments have been generated, and here you will see the recommendations based on the answers you provided. You can access the courses on the dashboard under your courses, or you can search for content under topics at the top of the screen. Here you will find popular topics, ways to learn materials, and additional content designed specifically for you. Another great feature of the Enrich platform is the search feature. Here you can search for content on various topics or subjects. So if you're in need of a scholarship to further your education, you can search for scholarships through the Enrich platform. Enrich will give you personalized content, short financial courses, and money management tools to improve your financial health. Get started today by going to mobileoilcu.enrich.org.